Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest economy forum from the Star Atlas Economy team. The following summary of the Economy Forum was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Alright, Star Atlas community. Settle in because we just wrapped up the 18th monthly Star Atlas Economic Forum, and boy was it a packed one. Kicking off with a little technical humor, with our hosts Chris and Jose battling some classic Discord audio woes. The vibe quickly shifted into a deep dive on the recently launched Zinc and its incredible impact across the Star Atlas ecosystem. Chris, from the economics department, opened by sharing the excitement around Zinc's launch just last week. He highlighted it as a, quote, very clean release, even with a few initial economic balancing kinks that are now being ironed out, like the discovery that HoloSim and Sage were mistakenly awarding the same amount of ZXP now fixed, with Sage getting its deserved higher value. The goal, he emphasized, is to meticulously balance ZXP over this test season to ensure a robust and successful Origin season to come. Diving into the numbers, Chris revealed some impressive initial stats. Over 400 total accounts registered, with 844 actively earning ZXP. What's really cool is that 726 of those have already linked their Unreal Engine 5 accounts, showing strong engagement with UE5. So far, over 42 million total ZXP has been earned. But here's the kicker, and a point of pride for the team. The ZXP distribution is proving to be much more balanced than the typical Star Atlas economy, adhering closer to an 80/20 rule. This means the top 20% of wallets hold about 80% of the ZXP, which is highly desirable for creating a diverse group of future Zinc token holders, rather than concentrating wealth. He also shared a candid moment about a brief double XP period many users experienced. Turns out, an early bug caused ZXP from multiple linked wallets not to aggregate properly, leading to everyone accelerating 2 to 5 times faster than anticipated. This led to some quick adjustments, slowing down the ZXP earning rates as intended. The test phase is currently capped at level 20, and Chris clarified the rewarding structure for those who reach it. You'll get the minimum of either the current Season 1 level 20 ZXP cap or the Origin Season's level 20 ZXP cap. Beyond the numbers, Chris also touched on Zinc's subscription tiers, particularly noting that the Apex tier's 2x multiplier is providing quote, insane value for its $30 price point. Anticipate some adjustments here, with the team likely reducing the multiplier rather than increasing the price, aiming for a more balanced value proposition. The most exciting part, however, was seeing the, quote, intended-unintended consequences of Zinc across other Star Atlas products. The Galactic Marketplace has seen a substantial increase in volume, raking in about $17.500 in primary market sales, as players strategically saved their purchases to earn ZXP. This isn't just about ZXP. It's a direct boost to Automata's revenue. Sage also experienced a healthy spike in daily active users, settling at a higher baseline, a much-needed uplift, potentially driven by the excitement of ZXP earning. And perhaps the most telling impact was on HoloSim, where average playtime has skyrocketed, despite being between seasons and with its leaderboard paused. This clearly demonstrates Zinc's direct causal impact on player engagement, even in products that aren't actively being developed or ranked. In terms of ZXP earning mechanics, Chris revealed that the DAO is currently contributing a massive 70% of ZXP. To achieve their target distribution, roughly 40% DAO, 30% Galactic Marketplace, 15 to 20% Sage, the team has already reduced DAO ZXP and plans to uniquely boost Sage earnings in the coming days. The underlying principle? Rewarding value creation within the Star Atlas ecosystem. Towards the end, Chris gave a heartfelt shout-out to Gareth, a former Econ team member who's moved on to new ventures. In his honor, today's Iris Blessing code is Gareth, so make sure you grab that. The forum also touched on broader crypto trends, with Chris briefly discussing how meme coins and trading tools are dominating Solana's activity, hinting at opportunities for gaming and social chains like Zinc. Community questions ranged from adding ZXP for faction claims, which Chris thinks is a good idea for the future, to the potential for sales campaigns, and the highly anticipated Zinc token generation event and white paper. Stay tuned for those details post-Origins launch. So there you have it. The 18th Economic Forum was a clear indicator that Zinc is not just a new feature, but a powerful, unifying force across the entire Star Atlas universe, driving engagement and creating a more balanced economic landscape. Keep an eye on your ZXP earnings, as balancing adjustments will continue, and get ready for the full Origin season. We'll catch you next month for more updates.